I'll be the first to admit that I didn't think a detachable timeline was anything that I would ever use. So new in Camtasia 2020, there's this concept of a detachable timeline. And just like we had before where we had the canvas and the timeline, we could detach the canvas and put that on a separate screen, a second monitor, for example. And I thought, why would I ever need to detach the timeline? That doesn't make sense. But then today I ended up actually needing it and I used it. So the easy way to do it is with Control and the number 3 or Command 3 if you're using a Mac, and it will just separate it. Again, the reason you would probably use this is if you have multiple monitors. The idea here is you want to have your canvas nice and big so you can see it, but you also need to see multiple tracks. So let's see what that looks like in Camtasia 2020. So here I am. I have the project from before, and I can't see all the tracks. Now, I could go up here, and I could change this so that I can see multiple tracks. All right, that's one option. But when I do that, if I have this set to fit, then this gets smaller. And if I have multiple monitors, then what I can do is just put that timeline on that second monitor. And that's what I did today. So I'll do Control 3, and now notice that timeline is separate. Now I can't show you my second monitor right now, but what I can show you is that I can make this very tall, and I can show several tracks all at once. In fact, I can see over a dozen tracks if I had them. And then I can use Control 3 to bring it back again. Another way to do this is if I right-click on any one of the tracks, I see the option here to detach timeline. Now the timeline is detached, I can move it, I can increase its size, and then when I'm ready, again, I can right-click the track and I can attach the timeline. So very simple. I prefer the keystroke Control 3, but if you prefer right-clicking, that's your option as well.